Next is in the delivery room. Look, be sensible about this, okay? Friends and family are going to be watching these photos and video. Video what looks nice. Let's just leave it at that. There's a really nice moment that you can get, and that is your baby's first cry. They're going to take the baby and they're going to put them on a measuring and cleaning table. And I recommend having just your still camera in just a nice little tiny still camera with you in the delivery room, because it's not big and bulky, it's easy to hold in one hand, and also it records video. So just grab that moment with your camera's video. It's really nice, and you can color it later because they're not looking that great right when they pop out of the matrix. The next moment you really want to capture is when they put baby in mom's arms for the first time. Realize she has worked her butt off for this moment, and you really want to have the camera there to capture it because it's a moment that she is going to remember forever. It's obviously going to be nice to have a family member with you in the hospital that's capturing these things with you in the photos. So it's definitely something you want to think about, whether it's actually mom or dad or your brother or your sister or just your best friend. Someone who you trust to take decent photos and decent video so that you can actually see yourself in the adventure that is occurring. So one of those is going to be the first time you hold your child. And it's a really special moment. Usually it's in the maternity ward, and they've just sort of settled down the baby and everybody's looking at you through the glass, and you actually get to hold your kid for the first time. And definitely if you can get that on photo and video, it's worth it. The next thing you want to have your cameras on standby for is they're going to give the baby the first bath in the hospital. And this is a really nice moment. Now realize the baby might be crying a lot. It's okay. That's what babies do. Capture it because there's going to be the seconds in there where they're smiling or just chilling out. And those are the ones that you can edit or take photos of. Depending on the pregnancy and the birth, you're going to be in the hospital for 1 to 3 days. So there's going to be nice moments here and there. Just have your still camera and your video camera on standby because you're going to spend time with your kid. Mom's going to spend time with your kid. Family members are going to be there to spend time with your kid. So just have it on standby. You can get a lot of footage and a lot of video. You may not use all of it later, but it's good to have.